Hello, and welcome to Vility manufacturing facility. Vility is machinery builder for screen printing and die cutting technology and other related equipment. My name is Lomis. I will be giving you a factory tour. Let's dive in. Behind me is Vility Independent Industrial Zone. This is office building. Our reception, R&D and engineering department, purchasing department, and sales department, financial department, all are in this building. The next building is staff, dormitory, and canteen. Our meeting room and owner certificate rooms is on the first floor. Up to now, Vility have gained more than 100 patents, CE certificates, and awarded the title of high-tech enterprise for many constant years. Next, photograph switch camera to our two large-scale workshops. All machines assemblies are finished in these two workshops. Each system is built under strict assembly standards. Precision is the core of our technology. In this area, we perform CCD calibration and visual alignment testing using real production materials. This process guarantees high registration accuracy, repeatability, and production stability before the machine is delivered. Before shipment, every machine undergoes comprehensive quality inspection and continuous running test. We verify accuracy, stability, and safety, ensuring each machine meets Vility's quality standards. After final approval, machines are packed using export standard vacuum bag plus polywood case to ensure safe transportation. Vility equipment is successfully delivered to customers across Europe, North America, and South Asia, supporting global manufacturing needs. Beyond equipment manufacturing, Vility provides professional after-sales support, including installation, technical training, and fast service response. We believe long-term cooperation is built on trust, quality, and continuous support. We look forward to partnering with you to create smarter and more efficient manufacturing solutions.